The time that tasks are really important, project management. Here is how you can create tasks on a project. First, go to a project. So you can see here, I have a project for new member onboardings. Now in this webinar row, I want to assign myself a task, so I remember to do this. Then I'll click on this three-dot menu and create a task. On this side panel, you can create your task. So I'll write myself the task of setting up a Zoom event in Swiftbox. Write the date and time and select Add Me. Great, now this task is assigned to me. And I can adjust who can see and edit this task here. Now I can see this task in my task list and on the project board. No excuses. Let's create a task for a team on a project board. Send invites is listed as a project row. This is definitely a big team task, so I will click here. Then I'll write Organize Webinar Invite List, add the date and select Team. Here I'll add the comms team. Again, I can adjust the sharing permissions, but I'm going to leave everything clear and visible. Then I'll select Save. And once my task is complete, I can select Done in my task list here. Or I can tick it off on the project board. Either way, it will result in one nice tick in my project.